Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome, investors and friends. Today we got a very big project going on over here at Bird in Hand Self Storage. We are repaving the entire facility lot. It's going to be done in two phases, so I wanted to kind of give you the glimpse of where things are before we get started. You guys are back there with some pretty big trucks, getting things rolling as we speak. So project's going to go for the better part of probably 7 to 10 days. It's a lot of coordination involved with all the vehicles that we have on the lot. So hopefully our plan that we've been working on so far is pretty sound. Corinne and I are actually staying on site in our RV just to make sure things go as we need them to go. Let me give you a quick tour of what we're looking at here. This is kind of the issue that we got going on a lot. The paving has been a problem probably for a number of years. This is probably all original from the 80s. Lots of overgrown weeds, lots of areas that aren't quite balanced. Some water ponding, ice issues in the winter here. We're going to take it nice and tight up to the facility and let's go for a little ride. I'll show you the rest. Let's do this. Let's see, it's been patched up a little bit here and there. We want to get it nice and tight. Do a little bit of before and after. So this right now we're in phase 2. So they're starting in phase 1 inside the unit. We're going to fill in that void there. Hopefully, if all goes well, we're going to be able to have a couple more parking spots come out of this. But you can see the potholes forming pretty good. We're actually supposed to have this project done in September, October last year, but we ran out of good weather. So let's see what we got going on back here. We got it all, this area here, you can see that it's kind of dropped. I don't know if you can see that grading, so we want that to come up so the water stops running underneath the pad. It'll definitely help cleaning things up. Relative to the grass, and then we're also going to cut into the side here, hill here, and elongate this as well. You see all the markings there. Let's see what they got going on. See, we got a lot of things going on. We were fortunate enough, through good planning, Serena, our office manager here, got this back area cleared out. So the plan is we're going to get this all done back here, and this will be the staging area. Anybody who wants to keep their RV on site will be able to do so by moving out to the front. You'll see on this back side here, we're going to get into a lot more of the problem areas that we're going to need to fix up. You can see the potholes here, and they're going to dig some of that up. kind of see if what the issues might be. But overall, this is a pretty heavy-duty project that's been a long time in coming. It's going to make a big difference overall. And we're going to eventually get rid of some of these junk mobiles. Believe it or not, we're actually paying customers. So. This is the start here. This is our water detention basin. That's it. We'll check in throughout the day, keep you all up to date. I'll also give an update on where we're at relative to collections and whatnot. We've had some turnover. We might as well give you the update now, huh? So we've had some turnover. We've had a number of folks that have, taken this opportunity to, had an RV. They're selling their RV and whatnot. So they got that done. And then we totally, with COVID and the lockdown, we're still in lockdown, by the way, here in Pennsylvania. We missed essentially the spring real estate market. So it's been tough, and might set us back a little bit. But once we get everything back rocking and rolling, then we're going to go full bore into all of our marketing campaigns and get things to where they need to be. We're going to need to increase the rates for these parking tenants, so we'll get that done. I think we're at hovering between 74-76% economic occupancy, which is the number that tells us the most how we're performing against where we need to be financial wise. So I'll be back in touch. I need to go get that gate to stop ringing. All right, thanks guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.